And Jamaica ended second overall at the Goodwill Swimming Championships, which ended at the National Aquatic Centre in Kingston on Sunday. As we hear in this report, the Jamaicans secured 80 medals at the championships, comprising 17 gold, 27 silver and 36 bronze. Jamaica's head coach Gillian Millwood said the goal was for the country to take the top spot at this year's Goodwill Swimming Championships in front of home support, especially having already been runners-up in previous stagings. As it turns out, though, the country had to once again settle for second best, as Bahamas finished on top by 275 points after the third and final day. Like they were on day 2, Renee Chung and Julian Willoughby were in record-breaking form on Sunday's final day. Willoughby bettered the old mark of 1 minute 04.34 seconds in the boys' 13-14 butterfly by more than a second, clocking a minute 02.55. It was one of 6 gold medals and 10 medals overall for Willoughby, who was the High Point Trophy winner in the 13-14 age group.
I'm really happy about it. I came into this meet, me and my teammate Renee, we both came into this meet with the same goal of trying to get the High Point Trophy and doing as best as we can. We trained really hard and I'm really happy about it.
The girls' 13-14 100-meter fly also saw the record being rewritten as Chung clocked 1 minute 11.04 to remove the previous record of 1 minute 11.96. Chung ended the meet with 9 medals comprising 4 gold, 4 silver and a bronze, which earned her the High Point Trophy for the age group.
I think I executed really well. I really did my best in all my events and I think I came out and I'm actually really proud of myself.
The Bahamas didn't only top the points table but were also head and shoulders above everyone else on the medal standings, copping 129 in their haul, including 55 gold.
Well, you know, we came here and we were definitely on a mission. First and foremost, we really just wanted our kids to perform at their best and have fun on this trip. But we also know that we were bringing a full team, so we had a real good shot at winning this. And we told the kids, we have to stay focused, we have to put in the work, and it's 3 days of war that we're going into, and they came out of it victorious.
Natalia Knowles was the High Point winner for the Bahamas in the 9-10 age group for boys.
I am very happy about how it turned out. I know I put my all into these races, so yes, sir.